What if I told you that there's a way to make $500 a day from YouTube videos without ever picking up a camera? And what if I said you can start doing this in the next 60 seconds? Hey everyone, it's Ruby from AVS DigiZone, and today I'm revealing something so controversial, so game-changing, that YouTube creators don't want you to know about it. I'm talking about the AI time machine, the only tool that lets you legally hijack viral traffic and redirect it to your offers. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your first money-making funnel, completely free. Okay, let me break this down. We've all seen those viral videos with millions of views, right? The cooking hacks, the life hacks, the funny animal compilations. Traditional thinking says you need to create your own content to get those views. But what if I told you there's a smarter way? With the AI time machine, you don't create content. You curate it. You enhance it. You monetize what's already working. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. Monetize. Step 1. Find any viral YouTube video. Could be a short, a tutorial, anything. Step 2. Paste the URL into the AI time machine dashboard. Step 3. Add your offer overlay and button. That's it. You now have a standalone funnel page that you can share anywhere. Watch this. I just found this viral cooking hack with 2.4 million views. Paste URL. I'm adding my free recipe ebook offer. Clicks buttons. And done. 45 seconds. This funnel is now live and can start making money while I sleep. Now here's where it gets crazy. My student Arshita, a college student with zero marketing experience, used this exact method to make $847 in 1 week from a cat compilation video. How? She added a simple overlay for a pet product affiliate offer. The original creator gets to keep all their views and ad revenue. Arshita gets to monetize the attention. Everyone wins. But here's what most people miss about the AI time machine. It's not just about making quick affiliate commissions. This is a full business system. You can use it for e-commerce, course sales, lead generation. I've seen agency owners charge $500 per month per client for this service. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds expensive. But here's the crazy part. When I partnered with the AI time machine team, I secured a special deal for my AVS DigiZone family. You can get lifetime access for free through my link below. Yes, free. They're trying to get the first 500 users to test it, and I made sure my community gets in. I'll put my direct affiliate link in the description. That's how you get the free access plus my tool guide. But only for the first 500 people who use my link. After that, they're switching to a $97 a month model. Before I show you how to get started, I want to hear from you. Comment below with one word. What niche would you target first? Cooking, fitness, finance? Let me know. I read every comment and I'll give you personalized advice. Also, if you're getting value from this, do me a favor, smash that like button. It tells YouTube this content is valuable, and it helps me make more videos like this for you. All right, moment of truth. You have 2 choices right now. Choice 1. Keep scrolling through YouTube, watching other people make money. Choice 2. Be one of the first 500 people to get the AI time machine for free through my link and start building your income today. Here's exactly what to do. Step 1. Click the link in the description, download the guide, and you will find the tool inside the guide. That's the only way to get the free access. Step 2. Watch my 10-minute setup tutorial. I'll link it at the end of this video. Step 3. Create your first funnel today. Don't wait. The 500 spots will be gone by tomorrow. I'm serious about this. The people who take immediate action are the ones who see results. My friend Mike waited 3 days to try this. By then, the price had already increased to $47 a month. Don't be Mike. Look, we have started AVS DigiZone to help real people make real money with AI and digital marketing. The AI time machine is hands down the most powerful tool I've seen this year, and getting it for free through my link? That's a no-brainer. And if you are very happy and completely satisfied, then you can buy me a coffee and thank later. So what are you waiting for? Click the link, get your free access, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll show you my exact $500 day funnel strategy. Until then, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the comments.